How to become profitable in binary options trading. Let's talk about this today. And if you watch this video till the end, then you can also become profitable while trading binary options. You may have traded binary options by yourself and made good amount of loss. All of the binary options trader have gone through that phase. And maybe you have joined several Telegram channel where they promised you to provide profitable signals, and once you join them, then you soon realize that you are not going to be profitable by using their signal in your account. So in this video, I am going to talk about a little bit different thing that you may not know, or you may also know, that is other thing, but after watching this video, you can become profitable from tomorrow. So watch with absolutely focus, just relax and watch this video only properly. As you can see in my screen, these are the results of copying my trade. This is an account of one of my VIP copy trader who copies 100% of my trade, but you can copy anywhere from $2 to $200 in your account if you copy me. And the copy trading function is available only in pocket option. Okay, so you need to have an account on pocket option, but if you don't have an account on pocket option, then don't create it immediately. What I suggest you to do is you go to the description of this YouTube video, and there you will find a Telegram channel link. That is my free Telegram channel link. You can click on it and you can join on that Telegram channel, and you can see a simple instructions there on how you can join to my VIP copy trading channel. Now once you join my VIP copy trading channel, after following the instructions, then you will get something that is called UID. Okay, and that UID looks like this. So let's see, in his case, this is the UID. It is some numbers. Okay, you will get this kind of number. But firstly, let me show you the results, and then I will show you the process of copying my trades automatically in your account by using the social trading feature. So this is the result of all the VIP copy trader who is copying me, 100%. If someone is copying me $2 per trade, then their trading profit will be like this. Okay, I mean will be less than this, but if they copy $200 per trade, then their profit is going to be $462, and I only make $200 per trade in each trade, neither up nor down. Okay, so if I show you yesterday result, yesterday we made 9 trades and the trading profit was $420. Similarly, this account has been copying me since 27 days, and 27 days profit is $11,754 by copying my $200 per trade. Now it is not necessary for you to copy my $200 per trade. You can copy $10, $20 per trade. That's your choice. Okay, so now let's learn how you can copy my trades automatically inside this pocket option. Firstly, you need to log into your pocket option account and then just click on this social trading feature and copy the UID that is given in my VIP copy trading channel. You can also copy all of these people, but there is one problem if you copy them. Let me show you by clicking on this. So here you can see his minimum trade amount is $20 and maximum trade amount is up to $10,000. But in my case, if you see, my minimum trade is also $200, maximum trade is also $200. So now what happens is, if he makes 5 trade profit of $20, then his profitable trade percentage will go up. But if he make loss of $10,000, then his profitable percentage will not be less. Okay, and you will also copy him according to the amount that he is investing, and you may also suffer this kind of loss. Here you can see today his loss was $34,465. Okay, so here you can see 67% profitable trades. If you see this kind of profitable percentage of the trade, okay, then you can try to copy it, but you may suffer loss because they may be trading on that style where minimum trade is low and maximum trade is high. Okay, you should not never copy this kind of account. So always get the UID that is in my VIP copy trading channel and simply come to your social trading and click on here and click on search and put my UID here. So once you put my UID here, then you will see a name at here. So this is not my account. This is the account that I have previously just shown you as an example. And once you see this, then just click on it. And then you will see copy at here. you can see the statistic of today, yesterday, all time. If you do custom range, you can see of any date that you want, like 7 and 8. In this way you can see, and if you again do today, it will be at here. So if you don't want to copy me directly, then you can keep me in the watch list, so that I will be in your watch list and you can copy me at any time. Okay, so I'll show you that firstly. So just click on watch. Okay, then what happens here, you can see if you click on here and a list of watched traders, this will appear at here, and you can copy me anytime you want by clicking on copy. Now to copy my trade, just click on copy and you will see this kind of interface. So now you don't need to, you should not do nothing. Okay, whatever I show you, only do that thing. Okay, so I have told you I will make minimum trade and maximum trade of $200. Okay, so if you copy 100%, then you will be copying my $200 per trade. If you do 1%, then you will copy my $2 per trade. If you do 10%, then you will copy my $20 per trade, because 10% of $200 is $20. In that way you can set up this thing. If you want to copy $50 per trade, then do 25%, because 25% of $200 is $50. Okay, and in stop balance you leave it $1. So let's say you have $1000 and you only want to risk $500 in my copy trading. And what I would suggest you to do is, don't put stop balance here $500, because it will help you to not copy my trades, all of my trade. Okay, I have listened various complaints from my VIP copy trader, those who have kept this kind of stop balance, they were not able to copy all of my trades. So always keep this stop balance to 1. And if you want to risk only $500 and you have $1000 in your account, then just withdraw that another $500 and put that $500 at here. Okay, and in minimum copy trade amount, don't put anything other than 1. It is fine. Okay, and in maximum copy trade amount, don't put anything, just put it unlimited, because I make $200 per trade. So whatever amount you set in this percentage, that will only be copied. And once you do this much, then you can just simply click on confirm and you will start to copy my trade automatically in your account. Whenever I make trade, all of those trade will appear at your account, and soon you can also see results like this in your account without trading binary options by yourself. So don't forget to like this video and do join my Telegram channel. I will see you inside my Telegram channel. Bye bye.